how to use free entries in Prizepicks. So I'm going to explain how this works here on the official website. You can see types of promotions. If you scroll down, you will see free lineup. So this is going to be your free entry. They are awarded randomly, so at random you may receive one. Free lineups are fairly straightforward. You may submit one lineup that does not remove any funds from your account. The entry fee is predetermined by Prizepicks and cannot be adjusted by members. If you have a free lineup available, we will notify you directly. You can find the details for any free lineup you're eligible for by navigating to the promotions tab in the app. Just follow the instructions when selecting the lineup type and the number of squares, and leave the fee amount blank. Winning lineups will be awarded in the promo funds according to standard payout rates. So whatever you win with that free entry that you have received at random is going to go into your promo funds account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.